In this video, you'll learn how to log in to Udemy. This guide will walk you through the steps needed to access your account, whether you are using the website or the mobile application. Begin by opening the Udemy website in your preferred browser or launching the Udemy mobile application on your device. On the home page, look for the login or sign in button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will take you to the login page, where you can input your account details and ensure that you are using the official Udemy platform to protect your personal information. A stable internet connection will facilitate a smooth login process. Once the login page appears, you can proceed to the next step. Next, you will need to enter your account credentials, type your registered email address into the designated email field on the login form. After that, carefully enter your password in the password field. It is important to ensure that the spelling and capitalization are accurate, as passwords are case sensitive. If you happen to forget your password, you can click the Forgot Password link to initiate the reset process. Additionally, some users may opt to log in using connected accounts like Google or Apple, which can streamline the login process. And once you have entered your login information, click the login button to submit your credentials. At this point, Udemy will verify the information you provided and, if successful, will redirect you to your learning dashboard. This dashboard serves as your central hub, displaying all the courses you have purchased or enrolled in. Here, you can easily resume lessons, monitor your progress, and explore new courses that may interest you. The learning dashboard is designed to enhance your educational experience. From this section, you can manage your profile settings and access any certificates you have earned. It is a convenient place to start learning immediately, as all your course materials are organized in one location. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the dashboard features to optimize your learning journey. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.